Yeah, welcome to Steph's Academic Tuition Center. Yeah, this is mathematics and coordinate geometry, paper 1, mathematics. So, this paper, which means we're not supposed to use the calculator. So, on top of the coordinate geometry, we're saying that the coordinate geometry is about coordinate system made up of x and y plane called x or y plane or Cartesian plane. So, for example, as you can see, this is the beginning here. We have 0, 0, the beginning of the x or y plane. So this is the x-axis, this is y-axis. Even here we have x-axis, then here y-axis, y-axis. So we have x-axis and the y-axis. So the points are represented by first stating the x coordinate. We say example like here, we can say x comma y. So we can say x comma y. So the x coordinate, first you need to state the x coordinate, then now you state the y coordinate as the x comma y. So the first part that I'm supposed to do is the midpoint. So I will come up with the formula for the midpoint. So say midpoint between 2 points. So midpoint example, if I've got this line, this is A, point B, point A. So we have x comma y, and here we have x comma y. So which means you can name this as x1 and y1. Then this one is x2 and y2 like this. So since we have the points which is A and B. So for us to find the midpoint, we need to do the formula midpoint. Midpoint is equal to x2 plus x1, comma 2 over 2, comma y2 plus y1 over 2. This is a formula for finding the midpoint. So don't forget the midpoint, which means the point here, which is x comma y as well. So first find the midpoint, this point M, which is the example like M, the midpoint of A and B. We use the formula. A midpoint is equal to x2 plus x1. But if you want again, you can still say x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2, provided you start with 1, 1 on both sides, the value for x and the value for y, which means here is we have x, comma y as our midpoint. So that's the formula for finding the midpoint. Then example. So I have a question with me here. Find the midpoint of the following points. So we have 2, 4 and 0, 3 as question A. So since I said that the midpoint is given by a midpoint is given by x2 plus x1 over 2, comma y2 plus y1 over 2 as the formula for midpoint. So now I need to indicate here x1, y1. So always the first point is x, the next one is what? Y. So I have x, y again here. So 2, 2. Good. So I have 2 here. Good. So now my x2 here, my x2 as you can see is 0, so I'll put 0 here. Then plus my x1 is 2, so I'll put 2 here over 2. Then comma my y2 is 3 plus 4 here, then over 2 like this. So now I will simplify the expression by saying that 0 plus 2, which is 2, over 2 here, comma, 3 plus 4, which is 7, over 2, like this. So 2 into 2 is 1, comma, 2 into 7 is 3, remainder 1 over 2. So this one will be my midpoint for this question. Then I'll go to question number part B. So part B, as you can see again, I'll say x comma y. So 1, 1, again x comma y, then 2 here. So I'll write the formula midpoint is equal to x2 plus x1 over 2, comma y2 plus y1 over 2 like this. So which means I'm going to substitute here. I'll say my x2 is 2, so I'll put 2 there. 2 plus 2 plus 3 over 2, comma, my y2 is what? Is negative 7, then plus, as you can see there's negative here, so I'll put negative 4 here, then over 2, then I'll put in bracket like this. So I'll say 2 plus 3, the answer is 5 over 2, comma, okay, again I'll say, so as you can see the signs are testing each other, so I'll find the example like this, negative 7, so negative times positive, the answer is negative 4. So these are same sign as you can see, which means I'm going to add and maintain the same sign. So I have negative 11 over 2. And I know a lot of people, they say 11 instead of 11. So this number is 11, but not 11. Good. So 2 into 5 is 2, remainder 1 over 2, comma, again 2 into 11, as you can see we have negative here, so negative 1 into positive, so it's negative. 2 into 11, the answer is 5, remainder 1 over 2. So as a final answer for this question. So distance or length between 2 points. So talk about the distance is the length between 2 points. For example, if you have got point A and point B, so point A and point B as x comma y, even here x comma y. So it means we have 1 here, 2 again here. So the distance, the length between 2 points can be calculated by using the formula. Distance is equal to the square root of you put x2 plus x1 square here, suppose the minus here, then plus it again y2 minus y1, then square there. So that's the formula for finding the length or the distance between 2 points. So for example, when they say find the distance between point A and point B, the length between the 2 points means we need to use the formula. The distance is equal to this formula. So example. So example number 1, given a line AB with the coordinates which is A -6, 8 and B 3, -1. Find the length of AB. So it means the length same as distance. So distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared here. So now I need to indicate the coordinates here. I have x, y. So 1, 1. Again here, x, y. 2, 2 there. So I will write the root of this. So my x2 is this one, which is 3. So I'll put 3 here. Then this minus here, minus it. My x1 is the -6 here. I'll do like this. I'll put a square there. Then plus my y2. My y2 check in here, which is -1. Then minus my y1 is 8 there. I'll put square there. So I'll continue. I'll say 3, -1, negative, positive 6 to power 2 plus, then again here, -1, -8 is -9, then square. Good. Then I'll continue. I'll say 3 plus 6, the answer is 9. Square, then plus it. Then here, I'll maintain -9 squared here. Good. So 9 times 9 is 81, plus again, -9 times -9 is positive 81 square root. So I'll add this by this. Remember this paper no calculator, so I'll add 81 plus 81. This by this is 2. This by this is what? 16. So we have square root of 162. Since this paper 1 and this number, it has got no perfect square, so just put uni